Start by opening your image in Photoshop. This will be the base for our effect. Add a new layer on top of your image. Go to Edit, Fill, and choose 50% gray. Click OK. Now, duplicate this gray fill layer. Select the first fill layer. Go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and add grain noise for a textured film-like look. Click on the second fill layer. Head to Filter, Filter Gallery, and apply reticulation and halftone effects. Now, set both fill layers to overlay blend mode. This blends them into the image, creating depth. To keep everything non-destructive, hold Shift and select all your layers. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Add a threshold adjustment layer. Adjust the slider until you get a bold, high contrast look. Add a gradient map adjustment layer. Experiment with colors to create a retro stylized finish.